Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to insert inline code inside a table in WordPress, step by step. If you share tutorials, tech blogs, or coding guides on your website, this simple trick will make your content look cleaner and more professional. So stick around till the end. It only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the WordPress website. In the top right corner, click on Login to access your account. Once you're on the login page, choose Continue with Google. Then select the Google account that's linked to your WordPress site. This is the fastest and most secure way to log in. No need to remember passwords. Now that you're inside your dashboard, look for the Quick Links section. Here, click on Edit Site. This will open the site editor where you can modify your pages, posts, and blocks with full control. Next, navigate to the page or post that contains your table block or add a new one if you don't already have it. Click on the table block to select it. At the top navigation bar, you'll see a drop-down arrow. Click that to open more editing options. From that drop-down menu, choose Inline Code. This feature allows you to embed code snippets directly inside your table cells. The best part? WordPress automatically preserves your code formatting, meaning your code will appear clean, styled, and readable without breaking your table layout. Once you've inserted your code, you can take a quick look at the preview, make any final tweaks to your spacing or text if needed. And that's it. You've successfully added inline code to your WordPress table. This process is quick, user-friendly, and perfect for displaying programming examples, commands, or short pieces of technical text in a neat and professional way. And that's how you insert inline code in tables on WordPress. The right way. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.